The Zeroth Law of Thermodynamics is one of the fundamental principles in thermodynamics, which establishes the concept of temperature and thermal equilibrium. It was formulated after the first and second laws of thermodynamics and is considered zeroth because it provides a foundation for the other laws. The Zeroth Law states that if two systems are each in thermal equilibrium with a third system, then they are in thermal equilibrium with each other. In simpler terms, if two objects are at the same temperature as a third object, then they are also at the same temperature as each other. This law is essential for defining the concept of temperature and establishing a basis for measuring and comparing temperatures. It allows us to determine when two systems are in thermal equilibrium and when heat transfer between them will cease. Thermal equilibrium occurs when there is no net heat transfer between two objects placed in contact with each other. The Zeroth Law of Thermodynamics is fundamental for the construction of temperature scales and is the basis for the use of thermometers. It provides a reference point for temperature measurement and plays a crucial role in many areas of science and engineering, including the study of heat transfer, energy conversion, and the behavior of gases and fluids.